Hi, there is a big news for freelancers. Upwork just launched Lifted, a new platform for enterprises level projects. Do you want to in? I will show you how to join the waitlist. Just stay with me and watch till the end, and I will show you how to join the waitlist. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and let's start. First of all, we need to know what is Lifted. Lifted is a new wholly owned Upwork subsidiary tailored for enterprises client. It handles sourcing, contracting, managing and paying talent across model like independent contractor, staff augmentations with full compliance. It's officially launched in August 19, 2025, and it's aimed to provide a seamless, compliant global solution for enterprises' contingent workforce needs. The question is why it's matter for a freelancer. Actually, Lifted gives freelancer direct access to enterprise level opportunities with streamlined onboarding, contracts, payments, and optional benefits like health insurance and tax help. So how can we join the waiting list? I will provide you a link in the description which you can open, and you will see at this home page of the Lifted. Just open, and you can also study as per your own. Then you will see here we have the button for join waiting list. You can click just here, or if you will go to the down, it will show you why join the Lifted waiting list, so you can study here. Then scroll down and see the feature of Lifted. Then at the end of this home page you will see a form, join the waiting list now. So here if you will write like your name, first name, last name, and here if you will write your email, something, okay, and then it will ask for the phone number including your country code. Like I have this one, for example, I'm just putting dummy number, so ignore. Then which country are you located? As I am from Pakistan, I will select the Pakistan. Then if you have LinkedIn profile, then you need a profile link for the LinkedIn, and you can copy paste here. Then you will just hit the submit and you will join the waiting list, and then wait for the email from the Lifted. Hope you will try this, and you must need to try actually the Lifted to join the waiting list. Is a new opportunity for the freelancer. Thank you.